In this quick tutorial, I will show you on how to change your Facebook username URL without losing any data. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more tutorial about Facebook topic. So with that being said, let's get started. Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to change your Facebook username URL without losing any data. Sometimes we want to change our username URL on Facebook, and we head over to our profile like this, click on our profile, then we simply click on here, these three dots, then take us to this particular page. So this is the Facebook profile URL, just like so. Now for us to change this particular URL, how do we do that? First thing for, we need to make sure we exist from Facebook account. Then the next thing we want to do is to head over to Facebook Messenger. So you click on your messenger, just like so. Having opened up your messenger, next thing you need to do is to simply click on this three slider. Then the next thing you want to do here is to simply click on this setting icon. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down. Then you have to click on username right here. Next thing you want to do is to simply click on edit your username, just like so. Then you have to come to the top right here, delete the one you have right here, and enter a new username. Let's, for instance, you want to enter, I'm going to change to review. Then it's not available. You just have to add some figure to make it available. It's not available. So let me see 2025. Boom. So this one here is available. And the number of character or text you can enter should not be exceed 30. And your username become part of your custom link that let people visit your Facebook profile to reach you on Messenger. Once you are able to set to the right one you want, click on save from the top right here. So just like so you can see it has been successfully changed without losing any data. Next thing we want to do is to exit from here, and then we go back to our Facebook. By the time I refresh this particular page, so it's going to automatically change, just like so. So you can see it right here. So you can simply go back to your Facebook page, refresh your page, nothing lost, nothing more, and nothing less. So basically, this is how to change your Facebook profile URL without losing data. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Facebook tricks. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.